Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 EA app launch bug where the game doesn't recognize your installation.
Fix 1. Repair the game in EA app. Step 1. Open the EA app. Step 2. Go to My Library and select Battlefield 6. Step 3. Click the three dots next to the game title. Step 4. Choose Repair. Step 5. Wait for the process to finish, then try launching the game again. Fix 2. Clear EA app cache. Step 1. Open the EA app. Step 2. Click the menu in the top left corner. Step 3. Go to Help App Recovery, clear cache. Step 4. The EA app will restart. Now check if Battlefield 6 is recognized. Fix 3. Run EA app as administrator. Step 1. Close the EA app completely. Step 2. Right-click on the EA app shortcut. Step 3. Select Run as administrator. Step 4. Try launching Battlefield 6 again. Fix 4. Relink game directory. Step 1. Open EA app, My Library. Step 2. Click Download on Battlefield 6. Step 3. When it asks for the install location, choose the existing Battlefield 6 folder on your drive. Step 4. The EA app will detect the files and verify them automatically. Step 5. Once done, click Play.